Hello everybody. Today we're going to review this Kodiak refrigerator. It's 12 volt, has a computer inside of it, stops it from sucking your battery dry in the middle of the night while you're sleeping. Costs around $800. Doesn't seem like they're making propane ones anymore, so you're basically stuck with this 12 volt one. But it is a great refrigerator. It does the job. Let me show you the inside of it here. It's very big for what it is. It's got lots of room. Keep all your stuff there. As I said, I raise chickens, so I got a few eggs still sitting. There's the freezer. It's a nice size. I recommend this refrigerator to anybody who has the problem of you're living off grid and you need to have something that works. The propane one broke down. They're not making them anymore. So this is what you have to have. Thank you and have a nice day.